We'll guide you through how to scan a QR code in a screenshot on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're watching a video, you are browsing the web, or somebody went and sent you a QR code and you've got a screenshot of it. And now you want to go and scan it to go and get taken to the link for what it's for. It may be for promotion or for other things as well. But we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. If I open up my gallery, I've got one here. As you can see, I went and took a screenshot of it. So now I want to go and scan it and go and see what it's for. You probably know that if you go and open up the camera app, you can then go to the top left and press the gear or cog icon. You can go and see the scan QR codes. But of course, you then need to go and have the QR code on another device. And you may be in the situation where you just have this device and the QR code's on it. So using the camera isn't any use. So to go about this, what we need to do is we need to go and use an app. Now, there are different apps out there, but this app is likely to already be on your device. So as you can see, we've got the Google app, and we should be able to go and use this. If you haven't got the Google app or you can't see it, try swiping up. You can press search at the top, type in Google. Hopefully it appears. If it doesn't, you can always go and open up the Play Store on the homepage there. Press not now, press search at the bottom. And then what you can do is you can go and type in Google. And I'll type it in. And this is the app you want here, Google. You can see I already have it installed. So then what you can do is you can go and open it up like so, wait for it to load. And you want to go and press home in the bottom left. And you want to go and find search. To the right in the search box, you should go and see a microphone and then the camera button. You want to go and tap on the camera button. Now what you can do is it should go and detect screenshots and also images. So what we can then do is go and find the QR code we have got the screenshot of, and you can go and see we're using Google Lens here. This is a really useful feature. So then what you can do is go and tap on the QR code in screenshots. And as you can see here, it's going to go and scan it. And when it's going to go and show you the preview of the link, if you go and look down here, you can scroll down and you can go and see what it reads here. So it says URL from QR code. So you can press on the website to go and visit it. You could press copy URL to go and copy it, and you could paste it somewhere, and you can also go and share it as well. So in this case, I'll press website to go and see where it's going to take me. In this case, it should go and take me to the GuideRealm channel. As you can see, it's that simple. So this is one of the best ways I've found of doing it, as the app should already be on your phone. If you're not finding this app's working well, then you can go and get more QR code readers from the Play Store, which can be an alternative. But I find in general, the Google app works really well. So that's it. And we can always come back here and we can go and copy the URL, or we can go and press share. I can go and share it to a friend. Remember, you're now sharing the link directly. You're not sharing the QR code if that's what you're trying to go and do. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides.